Hey rat bitches, I'm back. Did you miss me? My name is Chachi and I make hair tutorials. I also have my own hair collection. I make makeup tutorials, I vlog. I recently did a mukbang. Basically, I do whatever the hell I want on my channel, but it's pretty much girly things. But today I'm styling some outfits and guess who I'm working with? Busties. It's a company that sent me over a breast tape kit. Now I got some little itty bitties, but I still need to make sure they're secure and looking good in my outfits. So let's talk about outfit number one. I got this dress from SHEIN. Now, if you're not a hoochie, you could always bring this dress down and make it kind of long, but I don't like that. I'm a little bit hoochie. I'm like hoochie classy. So I'm finna hike this dress up and I want that little spandex line to go right under my booty so that it could have my booty looking like it's sitting up and sitting plump. Yeah, you see me plenty ass. This dress is like Ed Hardy inspired. I really like it. I feel cute. I feel girly. But as you can see, I can't wear a bra with it and my boobs are just like spreading apart from the east to the west. So in order to make them look a little bit better, I got my Busties kit. I love how they include instructions on how to apply the tape and how to take it off. It came with this roll of tape. It also comes with like these reusable silicone nipple covers. It came with satin nipple covers, which are cute, and it also came with like a test kit to make sure you're not allergic to the adhesive. So what I did was cut a piece of tape that would measure from under the crease of my boob to the top of my boob, but that won't surpass the straps of the bra so that you can't see them, and then I cut them in half. And I also didn't want my nipples just like poking out, about to poke anybody in the eye when I go out. So I wanted to put on these satin nipple covers as well. I'm gonna put this on off camera just so you can see the difference. Okay, so I'm back and honestly I feel like it looks pretty good. My girl on the left doesn't have anything on it, but my girl on the right has one strip of tape and the satin nipple covers. I feel like it added plumpness. I just added the tape from the bottom to the top going in like a diagonal angle, and now I have two strips of tape. I'm gonna add the satin nipple cover and they look good. My girls, I feel like, are closer together. I have some cleavage and I like that. So let's go ahead and move on to my shoes because my girls look great. In order to balance out the sexiness this dress gives, I'm gonna pair them up with some knee-high boots. That's basically a rule of thumb. If you like kind of wearing a short dress, you could wear some knee-high boots to make it look a little less hoochie. Because imagine if I would have just wore open-toe heels. But I love this dress. I feel so cute, so girly. Now I need to accessorize. In order to accessorize, in order to make like the outfit pop, I like to look to see what color would look best with the color that I already have on. I do have some red in this dress, so the red purse could work, but I felt like I wasn't obsessed with it. I went and I tried it on with this multicolor green purse, and it matched because I got all these colors on the dress, but it just got too much going on for my liking. I felt like it would have been either one of these green purses, and the furry one just matches the look. It's a playful, girly look, so I definitely went with the furry green purse, and that was pretty much the outfit. I think it's really cute. I feel really girly. I feel like, I don't know, I just feel so cute. Let me model. Cute. But yeah, I also got this purse from SHEIN. These boots, I don't remember where they're from, but I'll move, girl. But I'll try to link them in the description box. But yeah, I love the dress. It makes my body look good. And I feel comfortable and confident, especially now that my boobs look like something. So let's move on to outfit number 2. I love this dress. I feel like a beautiful fairy princess goddess in this dress. This dress is what you call timeless. It'll look good 10 years ago, it look good now, and it'll look good in 10 more years. This dress made me want to do the hips for some reason, but I just feel like I look so polished, so put together, so classy. Like, I don't really feel like I have a style, but I feel like I'm sexy. I have sex appeal, but I got class. You know who's like that? Beyonce. But I love this dress. It's really cute. It's just problematic because if you bend over, I'll be giving out a free show on a Saturday night. Who wants to be adjusting their dress all night? And do I look like I give shows for free? So this would have been a perfect opportunity if this tape was double-sided, but it's not. So I went with the silicone nipple covers instead. That way, if I do kind of slip up, you don't see nothing but silicone anyways, and it kind of blends in with your skin tone, so you can't really tell that you haven't moved, girl. Like, how many times I gotta tell you to move? I paired it with these shoes from Steve Madden. These shoes are super cute. I could pretty much walk in them all night. Come on, let me show off the shoes. And yeah, I could definitely wear this look just like that, but I'm not. I love a dressed up, dressed down look, so I decided to throw this hat on. I feel like yellow and green looks good with this magenta dress, and I feel like it'll look best with either one of these purses. Honestly, you could go with either one, but for the sake of this video, I went ahead and I chose the multicolor purse. All the purses on this rack right now, I believe, are from SHEIN, and this was the look. It's giving like date night with my man. I look dressed up, but then again, I look like I could be super chill as well. It's giving sexy because, you know, I got this slit going on. My body looks contour. I'm feeling it. I love it. It was very easy to peel off these nipple covers, and I just like put them back on the plastic, and I put them in this little pouch that Busty sent over. Outfit number 3. Let me warn you, you might get heart palpitations because it's sexy. Very sexy. Like, there's no saving this. You could pair it with some thigh highs maybe and try to make it a little less sexy, but the truth of the matter is, this is a sexy hoochie mama outfit. I really personally like it because I love how it has like this textured top with this regular denim skirt. It makes my body look good. I work hard for my body in the gym, so I don't feel like, you know, I could show it like every now and again. I'm living for this monochromatic moment, red on red on red, but I feel like I could have added a little bit more to the look. So I got these hair clips from Amazon. This is a pack of gold ones, and this is a pack of like multicolor ones. In order for me to find out which ones I like best with the look, I tried on both. First, I tried the red ones, and honestly, it was super cute. I feel like I look like a doll baby. I look so put together. I look so polished. The body is giving. Everything gives. It's really a look, but I just felt like maybe if my shoes were red as well, it'll look better, so it could be monochromatic from head to toe. So I tried on the gold ones instead. My shoes is gold anyway, so I feel like maybe it'll work, and it did work. Honestly, either way, it works. I feel so cute. I feel so confident. I love this look. It's a little hoochie. Okay, let me be honest. It's a lot hoochie, but it's cute. The only problem with the clips is that if you're in real bright lights, you can't even tell they gold. And these shoes are problematic because they have like a little thong in between the toes, so you'll be doing that dance all night. But still, they're pretty much comfortable shoes. I could wear them all night. Outfit number 4, my personal favorite. I got this from the same company, Finesse, that I got my red outfit from. It's a little mini dress, very cute. The body is bodying, but honestly, I feel like my body was bodying in all these outfits. Could I wear this dress like this? Yeah. Am I basic? No. So I went to Walgreens or CVS, one of those pharmacies, and I got these sheer black stockings to pair them up with, and that definitely elevates the look. This dress also came with gloves, which I love. I feel like it's giving classy and sexy at the same time, which is my look. A really obvious choice was to pair them with these like classy, timeless YSL heels. Even though these shoes are problematic, I only wear them to take pictures because they hurt. And the obvious choice was this Balenciaga purse that also has a gold detail like my shoes. This look is cute, but it could go further with shades. Now this look is complete. I could definitely see myself dancing in the club like this with this outfit on. It's giving my wife is a classy ass gangster. Please don't play crazy. Like, it's giving fashion girl. I'm obsessed. But thank you guys so much for playing dress up with me. I really loved creating this type of video. Can you tell? Don't forget to grab your Busty's breast tape kit on Amazon. My biggest fear was that I was going to peel this tape off and it will take my skin with it, but it didn't. And I have a code for you brats that don't like to pay full price for nothing. Y'all need to grow up. But I got to call you back. My man calling me.